Hi, I'm Kieran,
And I'm Peter.
And I'm Jenny.
and this tutorial video goes out to the Brick Street School, which is a very special building. And we're going to try to save the fire alarms from this building before they even actually tear this down. So we're going to perform a song, and Peter will be holding the guitar and singing, and then we're going to all say the Brick Street School.
Alright. This one goes out to the demolition crew of the Brick Street School. Dear demolition crew that's tearing down the Brick Street School, there's something you should know that goes beyond broken windows, something safety-based that lets the good people know. Demolition crew that's tearing down the Brick Street School. This building's special stuff, and home to at least one ghost. And though it's boarded up, don't ghosts still need a place to live? Ring, 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 there's a fire, get out. Ring, 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 EST, Genesis, Chomp, Strobe 15, Candela, you fellas. Well, you know now it would be cool if you saved the fire alarms from the Brick Street School. Dear demolition crew that's tearing down Brick Street School, been here since '54. Why not another 50 more? And if we can't have that, well, can't we keep the fire alarms? Ring, 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 there's a fire, get out. Ring, 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 EST, Genesis, Chime, Strobe 15. Candela, you fellas, well, you know now it would be cool if we saved the fire alarms from the Brick Street School. That's right, fellas. We're just asking you to set the fire alarms aside. It's not too tough, you know. And now you have the model and make. Ring, 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 there's a fire, get out. Ring, 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 EST, Genesis, Chime, Strobe 15, Candela, you fellas, well, you know now it would be cool if you saved fire alarms from the Brick Street School.